the strings.
Alright guys, so we're on our way up to Drift Colorado Rd.4. We're mobbing up Monument Hill right now. Truck's doing pretty good. The oil temp, I don't know, I'm not too pumped on that oil temp. Like 246. The coolant is probably a little, actually look at that, the coolant's going up a little bit. I think I think I need to add just a smidge more to the coolant bottle, because when when it's hot, it goes like a little bit low. And then you open the caps, maybe we'll get some distilled water today and throw a little bit of that, but when she cools down. But overall, the truck's towing good. And you can see we just towed up over Monument Hill doing like 80 or so. And this thing, it feels like we have a headwind, and we got some, basically a big old giant parachute behind us. Ty, what do you think?
It's a lot smoother than McDirty, that's for sure. It's like comfy.
It's smoother, it's quieter, it's got the big old screen, I got the seat warmer on, and I don't know, I just like that trailer brake controller. Everything's all integrated, and I like how it has the 6-speed trans, but yeah, she's towing good. So I guess we'll see you guys when we get there. Got out here, got all the tow rigs. I really like this. This adds, there's so much character in there. Man, look at Levi's though. That thing is freaking, yeah, the porcupine. It's because I'm a prick. Hey, you know the difference between a porcupine and a Ford owner? Or a Ford truck?
The pricks on the inside?
Yeah, the pricks on the inside. Yes, we got her unloaded. We're running over to the driver's meeting. Jesse's out here. Oh, Levi got a new wrap on his thing. The impacted guys did that. I'm pitted right next to them. Yeah, he's the drift doctor. That thing looks pretty cool. I'm excited. I haven't driven CNS at all this year. truck is like a drift event essential. It's got power ports in there. It's got heated and cooled seats. So you can pretty much just get out at the event. I just took some footage from my buddy Taylor drone footage. So if you guys seen some of that, that was some footage off of his little race drone. But overall, I don't know, the course, at first I wasn't really stoked about it, and then now that everybody's doing good tandems, like it's actually pretty fun. Yeah, so now everybody's staying pretty consistent within the zone, so you kind of know where they're going. So yeah, I'm still on the same pair of tires. I've probably done 10 or 15 laps, and honestly the only reason they're even halfway dead right now is because I was doing the bank. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap them from side to side just because I was doing the bank and it basically wore out this one more than this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap them and then go do some more practice runs, hopefully some more tandems. What are you doing?
Swapping out.
Zip tying some things. You got a new radiator, yeah? Yeah. So yeah, Wes got a new radiator in this thing, so we should be good to go. So we are out here. Jesse, what are we doing?
We're drifting, watching other people drift singles until we're...
Yeah, so it's top 16 competition. I don't know how many tandem drivers there are today.
I think they said like 4, yeah, something.
Oh, it's top 8?
12 or 8.
Congratulations, guys, made it.
Yeah,
Qualified.
So yeah, we got the 14 crew. Well, I guess this is 13.4, but yeah, excited to do some tandem drifts and tandem competition, and then after that we're gonna actually be able to run the bank. This track is actually, at first I wasn't too stoked on it, and then after we started doing tandem and everybody got really consistent doing tandem together, then it turned out to be a lot of fun. So yeah, we're getting ready to do some tandems. Right now. So yeah, that was my battle between Daniel Stuke and the 350Z. That thing has nitrous and a couple other things. I honestly felt like it should have been a one more time, or if not a one more time, he should have probably got it. But I did. The only technicality I guess I could see between our two runs is I kind of got choked up on him and like shallowed out and like did kind of a weird burnout thing in that horseshoe thing. But then he didn't, I guess, go through the didn't finish the course because he got kind of messed up because of me, maybe? I don't know, it's kind of a weird thing, so I'm not sure exactly what's happening with that, but they gave me the win. I had a lead line, I felt like my lead line was really good, and maybe they were weighing more so the lead line, I don't know. But anyhow, I'll have to talk to the judges about that because I don't know, that just kind of feels weird. I don't know. I thought it should have almost been a one more time, but I guess we'll see. So I think Jesse's getting ready to go against another Dan. This guy has an LS, not an LS, I think it's a LT1 on that RX-7, and then Jesse obviously 1J, so he's gonna go up against him, and hopefully Ty gets a little bit of footage from outside of the other deal. I think Joe might have won, I'm not sure. Alright, so update. Jesse, is me and him for top 3? Or for the 3rd place battle for consolation? And he bent a tie rod. So we're, I'm getting the hot pit, or the pit ready for him to come in. We have 5 minutes to change a tie rod. So hopefully we'll get it done so that me and Jesse can actually battle instead of him just like forfeiting. Because he was gonna forfeit. I was like, what's wrong with your car? So he's trying to limp it off track right now. So we're ready, I think.
Passenger side?
Do you have your wheel key or anything, just or just come in?
Bust this thing off the other thing. Can we go see if there's a pipe wrench in my anything in there?
The end's probably still good.
Yeah, but we need to get this. You want to come look? Hold on. Assume the position, Casey.
What are you trying to
Wait, I don't know which one. Oh, this one. Okay. Sorry. That's what I thought. Tie rod. I called it all the way over there.
He's looking at it like a tie rod.
Thread?
Is this? Are you sure this isn't?
Yeah, because this has a spacer on it. Hey, spacer.
Spacer.
Hey. Are you from the Dakotas or what?
Hey. Oh fuck, that's hot.
That's hot, hey?
My waistgate's right on.
How do we get
this?
That's freaking hot, hey?
Here, grab that and I'll hold it.
I got a bunch of big ones.
Do
Big
you have a like a pipe wrench or something?
Yeah.
Can I?
Does that get over that?
You might be able to get it
Oh,
off.
let's shoot. No, let's step on it.
Alright, tell me when.
I got a bigger one.
There you go.
It's like not timing
I got a skinny big one. Huh? So.
We're close.
Good.
Let's step on it. We need to step on it.
Did you not get it? Oh yeah.
We got it.
Look at that. Threader in.
I wish I do. I just
Threader
wish I
in.
had a
Threader
timer on my
in.
phone right now.
Like just
Should
going.
we count down?
47. 46. 45.
It's wheels down. It's
44.
wheels down, right?
43. I don't know where we started at. 40. 39. He's gonna make it. Just let him.
45.
It's full throttle and I was just like
couldn't
slow and
e-brake
slow.
it anymore. Like I was coming to a stop. I was like, I don't know what. I can't keep my car sideways. Like on the tire.
Oh god.
Hang on, he's still. I know. Okay. I'm not gonna drop it on him.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all just torques. They're not sitting down impact tight.
No, I meant the tie rod.
Tie rod.
Find out, I guess.
Why were you on the line? I was helping him with his car.
So we're rushing over back to the stands so we can watch Jesse and Trevor's battle for 3rd place here. So. for third.
Third and fourth was for Trevor and Jesse. Trevor could have just walked into the third place position, but he decided to help Jesse out. They changed the tie rod, got him back out on track. Third place goes to Trevor. Yeah. Good job, Trev. For the final battle was between myself and Mr. Josh Long and the Red E36. We had the battle of the LS E36s. We had to do a one more run to make final determination. Second place. I got second place. Hey, I said to get into this that if I couldn't compete, I wasn't going to hold back. So that leaves the win to our man, Mr. Josh Long. We're also going to be doing the circle drags after the drift events. We run the drift until 9 or 9:30, so we do drifting under the lights. The next event, we drift the banks. So we're going to be riding the walls along the concrete. It's fun to watch, lots of smoke, lots of tires, and there's a reason we call it Rectoberfest.
third place in the tandem competition, which was pretty cool. So afterwards we did a bunch of tandem trains and a bunch of things. And then some guys ended up kind of touching each other. I don't know, a bunch of like 4 or 5 cars all kind of got into it. Luckily I wasn't in that train. This one received a little bit of, I guess like 4 cars touched it once. Wes's car, I don't know what happened up here. I think he got, maybe it was up front? I don't know. I know the back wheel looked kind of wonky on it, and then right now they're over here trying to pull out this bash bar because the bash bar got kind of pushed in. What happened?
So I was behind Steve. We were going around real wide, and I was like, I'm gonna suck it up. Left foot brake, sucked up, let off the brake. Steve pretty much just slingshot into Steve and spun me out, but I could have saved it. But as soon as I went to gas it, Zach, who was right on my door, fucking plowed right into me.
On this side?
Right here, the bash bar.
Oh yeah.
Luckily, it missed my headlight. Just got my bash bar.
Keep going. It's gonna spring back, so we need to go like a lot more than
Yeah.
Oh, she's coming. We need to bring a frame rack to the drift events. One of the portable ones.
Yeah, a little Kansas jack.
Yeah. And then something, I think Levi was involved in it too. Maybe Levi was, I don't know. I don't think Levi was. And then there was this one.
I got beat up this last half hour coming to play Christmas.
Hey, what happened?
We crashed.
Were you in the big pileup with everybody?
Yeah. We fucking. I think I hit John. What's his name with the?
Well, I was door tapping you, and then Michael tapped fucking Steve.
That's hilarious. Drift events are hilarious. Yeah, my car's been pretty good all day. The only thing that it has on this is from like 2 events ago, and I honestly need to get in there and push it out, but I'm too lazy, I guess. Alright, later Jesse. Drive safe.
Bye, Dad. You fixed my car. Thank you.
No,
It's all tucked away.
I was glad we were able to actually drive together.
It's tucked away in its nesting place.
Kind of sad this thing got in a wreck, but I guess he didn't have his bumper on, huh?
Yeah, it didn't do anything.
Look, you and Joe.
Look at his trailer. He did this.
Oh, he drove over it?
Yeah.
Joe, that's nice.
Hey, look, here's my rub mark.
You did that?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Oh, cool. Do you got any GoPro footage of it?
I do.
Oh, tight. So, check out Jesse's channel. Are you going to be making a movie?
Yeah, I'll probably a day or 2 double cut.
You'll have your video out before me.
Joe, are you going to have your video out?
Joe, are you going to make a movie about this thing?
Yeah.
Are you going to make a video of you driving over the trailer fender?
Alt defeat
No, I haven't.
after hours dick. That's what
After hours what?
After hours dick face.
That's his YouTube channel, so go check
What's
it out.
your YouTube called?
Joe, Control Alt Defeat.
Shop
TV, yeah.
Or what's your
Control Alt
change your
Defeat.
name.
So you don't make any videos about your damn drift car. You work on Priuses and shit. Like
My bad.
So you need to change that. Maybe.
Toyota Prius.
What happened here?
Levi
Oh,
smashed
jeez. All right.
it.
So that is the end of the drift event today, guys. So we'll see you later.
One that appeared in the bed of my
So
truck, but now it's
see you later,
fine.
Jesse.
All right, bud. Love you.
Later.
Yeah. Bye.
Later.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.